What's up everybody, Simon here with Tech Visibility. We're going to go ahead, unbox, setup, review the ONEPLUS Z2 Buds or Buds Z2. This is the pearl white version. I have reviewed some ONEPLUS products on the channel. Check out some of those videos. These have active noise cancellation up to 40 decibels, 3 mics, 38-hour battery life, dual 11mm drivers, dynamic drivers, and they're ultra low latency. Okay, so that's incredible. 94 ms. It's not the best latency or low latency, but they're pretty good. I don't know if they're good for gaming. So let's go ahead, unbox, setup, and review these. Before I do, I always ask that you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel, check out techvisibility.com. Also do that because it's free. See ya. Let's get this unboxed. Okay, here's the box. Actually a really nice box. I like the design. White and red stands out to me. I always like those two colors in combination. On here you have the 40 dB noise canceling, the 3 mics, dual drivers, 38-hour battery life, 10-minute charge gives you 5 hours. That's incredible. And IP 55 water and sweat resistance, 94 millisecond in latency. And yeah, the back is just Z buds. There's a cool little pull tab, so I don't need my surgical knife. Oh, he's sad. Yep, the knife is sad. Okay, don't worry, guy. I'll take care of you. All right, so anyway, so we went ahead and removed the shrink wrap. The pull tab has put my surgical knife out of business. That's what's happening in the world. And now we got this unboxed. All right, here we go. The slide pull out. Oh, this looks like a pill. It should be a ONEPLUS pill. All right, so first impression, very pill-like in comparison to some of the other things we reviewed. Inside this beautiful white and red box, we have buds for life. I like that. They're your best friends. And in here, a little hard to pull this part out because everything is meant for measuring. Okay, enjoy your new buds. There's a message in there. And in this box, beautiful white and red cable for charging. Never settle. I love the message. In here is just 2 tips, a medium size and a large size. I'm gonna go ahead and throw these inside this little box so you can see them because they're white, and I want you to be able to see the contrast. So there they are. Okay, and that's pretty much it. There's nothing else in this little box. I'm gonna go ahead and move that out of the way. Now this cable, not that long. It's about 6-7 inches, maybe 8 inches. Love the white and the red. Stands out. I mean, it's very unique. This is a nice peel for the ONEPLUS. And then you have your earbuds. Oh, this looks cool. This just looks very high-end. A nice white piano gloss finish. Very high-end. I mean, this feels expensive. It just feels futuristic in comparison to, say, the 3rd gen AirPods. You know, I don't know. These look more cool in my opinion. Says ONEPLUS on the top, USB-C charger, pairing. Now this is a pairing button in case they don't pair, but they're gonna come out pairing mode right away. As soon as you open it, you'll see this light indicator saying it's pairing. I'm gonna go into my Bluetooth settings here. I'm using these with my iPhone, so you're gonna get using more controls with the ONEPLUS. But here they popped up just like that. I clicked on it. Even with the iPhone, they paired well. Then the indicator went green. Now, if you can't pair them or you're having a hard time, you hold this button down and it re-enters pair mode. You have to leave the earbuds in there to pair. Let's look at the earbuds themselves. Oh man, they're kind of unique, and very long stem on the earbud itself. You got 1 mic, 2 mics. There has to be another mic somewhere. 3, it looks like, maybe. Oh no, here. 3, 1, 2, 3 mics here, and they are really neat. Again, comparison to the AirPods, the stems are a little bit longer, but very unique. Okay, this is the 3rd gen. All right, let's move the case out of the way. Now that we got these paired, let me go ahead and pop them in, see how they feel. Oh, they're super light, guys. This also feels super hard. Oh, what? But they sound great. I was actually playing a song just now from my previous test. Their touch control. We're going to look at the manual here for a little bit. Touch areas here. Now this touch area feels, there's like a little bit of texture to it, okay? Like you're feeling some grain on it. It's not just super smooth. I don't know if it's me, but you also hear a click every time you touch. So setup, charging port, connecting, and then let's look on the other side. So noise control. If you want to go ahead and touch to switch noise control, you could do that with transparency and ANC. I think you have to hold it. And now it went to transparency mode. I just tested the LG tone-free FP9's transparency mode, and I can tell you that the OnePlus Buds Z2 transparency mode is better. Okay, so that is great. The OnePlus Buds Z2 are also cheaper. They're going for around $85. The link is below. I personally love this transparency mode, okay? If you want active noise canceling, you hold it. There's different, oh wow, they're pretty good. There's different type of sounds for each mode. I like that because it just doesn't give you the same thing, okay? Charging the buds is very easy. You pop them in. The magnet itself takes care of placement, as you could see, green light indicator. So far, the noise canceling has been great. The transparency mode's great. The feel and fit is actually really good. I don't feel like they're gonna fall out at all, and they don't feel heavy. I love the touch controls and the sounds. So overall, really good. Here's play controls, okay, on the manual. A single tap will pause and play. A double tap will be next song or optional, just like that. And it's really responsive. Triple tap is previous, and you could do a triple tap optional to remap these. But if I do a triple tap, it's a previous song. Double tap, next song, okay? So pretty easy to use. Very simple. That's the entire little manual, and then there's a safety guide. Let's go ahead and see how they sound with volume and music. I got a dance song playing right now, and I'm gonna go into transparency mode. I can hear myself talk, and the music is loud, it's rich, it's there. I'm impressed. The dance song is playing well, the bass is there. I'm gonna go into now active noise canceling. Oh man, these are great. Whoa. So I just tested the LG tone-free FP9s. I like them. The noise canceling was great. The transparency was good. These are better and they're cheaper. Okay. The OnePlus Buds Z2 have my 2 thumbs up. Let me play a rap song because this dance song was great. The bass was subtle. The bass was crisp. The treble was good. The highs, the lows, the mids were all good. These for under $100 are probably going to be one of my top choices for under $100 earbuds. Okay, they have transparency, they have ANC. The battery life is killer on these. In fact, these might be the best ones with all those factors. So quickly, just going to go ahead and play a rap song. I need to see if the bass is there. I'm a big bass nut. Okay. All right. All right. Man, the water, oh my god, the bass is there. Yeah, okay. Bluetooth 5.2. Woo! Man, I just turned it up. I'm in it. I'm at a concert. Okay. 2 thumbs up. Comment below if you have any review. I have turned it down. I couldn't even hear myself with the noise canceling. 2 thumbs up. Comment below if you have these. These are amazing for under $100. That's a real smile. This is not a paid review. All right, let me make a phone call. Gonna switch to transparency mode, make that phone call. Different transparency mode tone. I love that. So there's a distinction in the tone. It rings when it's a different mode. Let me make a call. Hey, what's up? It's Simon. I am testing the OnePlus Buds Z2. How do I sound? Good? You sound incredible. I sound incredible with transparency mode. I can hear myself talk. I can hear you respond. Yeah, no, they're great. The music, the sound quality was amazing. Yeah, it's incredible. Like the songs and the bass. Anyway, I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye. So sounded really good. The sound quality was amazing. I mentioned to June, and I'm impressed. I mean, I can't say much more. It's just a great quality product. Let's go over some of the highlights, okay? Active noise canceling up to 40 decibels. They look great too. Up to 40 decibels. Yes, I feel it. Noise canceling on par with some of the best noise canceling. Superior audio experience they're advertising. Yes, it is. Dolby Atmos support. 38-hour battery life. That's phenomenal from this case. It's phenomenal. And a 10-minute charge gives you 5 hours. Are you kidding me? These are incredible. AI powered noise reduction for calls. My call was crystal clear. I'm sure if you're in a very loud environment, it's going to be crystal clear as well. I could tell because of the way the ambient sound works here and the transparency mode. These are IP55 water proof and sweat resistant. Excellent for pretty much any type of environment. They feel great switching songs. They look great. I love that this is a flat with some texture on it. 3 mics for crystal clear calls. I mean, they're sleek. They look sleek. Overall, it's just an incredible earbud. For the price, I would rock these, and I'm sure they're even better on a OnePlus phone or even an Android. So overall, really good. They did not auto pause and play when I had them playing, unfortunately. So let me test that really quick for you guys. Yeah. Oh, they do. Oh my goodness. Yes, they do. So if you remove it and put it in, it has an auto pause and play sensor. All right, I'm sold. These might be my go-tos from now on for the price, for the bass, for the clarity. 2 thumbs up. Don't even think twice. Comment below if you think the same way. If you have these, if you have any experience. These are the most shocking earbuds reviews I've done in a while in terms of the complete package under $100. Period. And that's an honest review. I don't get paid for that. If you enjoyed this review, I always remind you guys to like the video, subscribe to the channel. It's free, and check these out. If you're looking for a new set of earbuds under $100, you will not go wrong with these. The lid stays up. I love that about them. They stay in. They won't fall out. The magnet's good. Complete package. Check out techvisibility.com for the latest product news and reviews when you get a chance. I'm sold. I'm sold. The pill has done it, and it's not too big of a case with the battery life exceptional. Catch you guys here in the next video.